Hi, I'm Kat from Genii and I'm here to give you an introduction to some of the fantastic features of the Huawei S7 Slim. This Huawei multifunction tablet is an incredible tool for both business and personal use. In this presentation, I'll guide you through setting up some of the basics on your new device and show you how to personalise it so you're up to speed in no time at all. So let's get started. To get the device ready to use for the first time, we need to insert the SIM and the battery. To install the SIM, first remove the back, then insert the SIM, followed by the battery. Replace the cover and then hold the power button down until the device turns on. This device runs on Android version 2.2. This means that unlike other Android tablets, it's also a fully functional smartphone. When you first turn on the device, it will take around a minute to start up. Then the default home screen will appear. To lock the display, press the power button on the device. Press the power button again and the screen will come to life. To unlock the device and return to the home screen, hold your finger on the lock icon. Then slide your finger over to the dot. Once unlocked, the main home screen will show you the current date, time, and today's weather forecast, as well as your missed calls and unread messages. Swipe to navigate or tap to activate. To go back a step at any point, tap the back button, or, depending on the running application, there may be a back arrow on the top left of the display. To return to the home screen, select the Home button. To bring up the related menu for the screen or application, tap the menu button once to open and again to close. To enter text, tap the text area and a keyboard will appear from the bottom of the display. The back key will get rid of that keyboard. If you receive a new voicemail, miss a call, get a text, or the Huawei Slim finds an update, then these notifications will appear as a useful status display on the top line of the screen. The first icon allows you to quickly switch between any running applications in the device and turn your orientation lock, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS, cellular and data connections on or off. You can also set display brightness here. Under Tasks, you will find a list of any currently active applications running on the device at the same time. You can end any task by tapping the X icon or switch a task by tapping its name. Next, we'll take a quick look at personalising your Huawei, as you can customise everything, from the backgrounds to fonts, ringtones and even icon placement. I'll show you how to add or remove icons on your screen. The screen has both app icons and widgets. Now, app icons are static icons much like those on your computer. Widgets are little applications that provide you with the information you want right on your home screen. All applications are stored in the app drawer of the device. To add an icon, open your app drawer, tap and hold the icon you wish to use, and place on the screen where you would like it to appear. You can move any icon or widget around on the home screens by following the same process. You can also remove any existing icon or widget by long pressing, then dragging them to the rubbish bin in the bottom of the display. To change the backdrop on the home screen, press and hold on an empty area and select Wallpapers. Then choose Wallpaper Gallery and select the background you would like to use. Now that you have the basics of navigating around the Huawei Slim, I'll walk you through some of the more useful features, starting with getting your Google account set up so you can access the Android marketplace. Open the Applications screen and select the Settings icon, and then Accounts and Sync. Select Add Account, then Google, and follow the prompts to either create a new Google account or register your existing Google account. This is the Android marketplace. This is where you'll find a wealth of applications to increase productivity or enhance your free time. Here you can find almost everything from business tools through to navigation and even fitness apps. If it's your first time at the market, you'll be asked to accept or decline the terms and conditions. To access this area, you will need to accept the terms. Browse through the apps. Some of the most useful business apps that we can recommend to get you started are Dropbox, Exchange for Android, and Bookreader. Anything you choose to install from this marketplace will appear in your apps drawer for you to access again later. Now let's take a look at the all-important email feature that will let you stay on top of your inbox while you're away from your desk. To set up email, go to the apps drawer and choose Email. This will allow you to set up an email account, be it corporate or personal. You will need the relevant settings for your mail server before you do this. For your work email, select Others. Follow the prompts on the phone and enter your email address and password. In some cases, you will need a username and server settings. These can be obtained from your company's IT support person. Once you've successfully entered these details, you'll be ready to send and receive emails from virtually anywhere. To use your Huawei Slim as a smartphone, we would suggest that you use a Bluetooth headset paired to the device. However, it can still make and receive calls without a headset. To use a Bluetooth headset, open the apps drawer and select Settings, then Wireless and Networks, and then Bluetooth Settings, and activate Bluetooth. Your device is now scanning for other Bluetooth devices in close range. Scroll down the list until you see the Bluetooth device you wish to pair with and tap on the device. You'll be asked for a PIN number for the device you're trying to pair with. This is usually 1234 or 0000. To use your headset when you make a call, you will see an audio output icon. Just tap that and select Bluetooth to use the freshly paired headset. To dial, you can either bring up the contacts and dial someone from there, or click on the dialer icon at the top of the contacts page, or launch the dialer app from the apps drawer screen, or from the communications screen. Just enter the number you wish to dial into the text window and then tap the green dial icon. Once you have a connection, the red hang up button will appear. Tap the icon to end the call. You're now on your way to discovering even more on your Huawei Slim. Have a look through the menus and explore the widgets and applications to make the most out of this amazing business tool. And remember, the more you practice, the easier it will become.